Hi everyone, we're back with another review, and this is for the KEMOVE Keycap pull switcher. So this is to remove keycaps. This is by KEMOVE, and we're going to take a look and see this 2-in-1 keycap and switch puller tool. It's the P10. So let's see how it looks. Let's go from there. It also gives you some instructions in the box. So let's take a look at the instructions. So this is how the keycap puller is. Tells you keycap puller, steel wire, switch release key, switch puller, steel clip, and this is how you would take out the keycaps. So it's good that they give you instructions here, because I'm usually not the one to pull out the keys on my keycap. But let's take a look at how it looks. If you're familiar with keycap pullers, this one looks really good. Look at that. I'm assuming that you push down. Oh, nice little spring action too. Nice translucent black. Wow, it's very nice keycap puller. This is by KEMOVE. Definitely go pick up yours today.